From the Delhi studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 9. Presented by Amity University. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group, Century Ply, TVS Euro Grip and Blue Dot.
Good evening and welcome, viewers. There's a thrill going down the spine of the Lutyens media tonight. As Mamata Banerjee moves confidently from appointment to appointment in the heart of Delhi, Lutyens is delighted beyond measure. For them, Mamata is the savior that Rahul could never be. Congress top guns Kamal Nath, Anand Sharma lining up to meet Mamata, the impact is unmistakable. Mamata is the center of the new anti-BJP coalition. So when she meets Sonia Gandhi tomorrow, what's the imagery? The imagery is of the present meeting the past. Freshly reinforced political success that she represents on the one side, and a confused, weak, tired, fatigued party that the Vadra Congress stands for today. And Mamata knows it. And that is why she will stake everything to put this anti-BJP, or more squarely, anti-Modi coalition together. She knows it. She knows political timing. And that's why she's in a great hurry. She knows the tide right now is on her side, and she's got the momentum after the Bengal results. But there's one more thing which she knows, and which she is not sharing with any one of the anti-BJP leaders that she's meeting, viewers. And that is this. She knows she has the upper hand over them as well. Today she has the best opportunity to lead at the national level. The Congress leaders meeting her know that their own leadership is incapable of striking the BJP a political blow. Not now, not in 2024. Question is, can Mamata really deliver a success nationally against the BJP? I will answer that in 3 graphics and 3 sets of numbers tonight. And the first I bring before you is vote share. The BJP vote share is close to an astounding 38% nationally. Look at that. And remember, look at the other number. They won 2014 with 6.5% less. So it will need a huge 10% negative swing against the BJP to bring them down. That's going to be huge to deliver. Second graphics tonight. Look at this. In 2014, the BJP ruled 7 states. They went up, but they still, though down, control 18 states. So who's telling you the BJP is over in the states? It's not true. All the hype that the power in the states has moved away from the BJP is statistically not true. So you'll ask, why then is Mamata risking everything? Why is she going all out? Answer is in my last graphic tonight, viewers. Today, look at where Mamata stands in Bengal. She's got about 50% of the vote. That's huge. That's as good as it can get, or anyone or any political party. Bengal is completely secure for the Trinamool Congress. She can fight the BJP for the next 3 years, knowing there is no challenge in Kolkata. And that is what makes this fight so interesting. I'll say one thing. BJP supporters will not like this, but the BJP will be indiscreet to discount the level of battle that a Mamata-led group, if they play their cards intelligently, can get them into. And that's debate number 1 tonight. Biggest debate, viewers. Biggest debate of the day. Biggest development of the day. Mamata in Bengal. Lutyens excited. How much can she really deliver? Debate number 2 tonight. At 10 p.m. tonight, what's going on in the Northeast, the Assam-Mizoram dispute? And debate number 3 this evening, viewers, on a packed show that I'm coming to you tonight with. Debate number 3 tonight. Yogi cracks down on the Rohingyas. Is he polarizing the atmosphere before next year's state elections? What's the impact of that? And here are the headlines this Tuesday evening on The Debate Tonight. Mamta Banerjee has had 4 big meetings in 24 hours as part of her first Delhi visit since the elections. The question is 2024 the agenda? Mamta holds her cards close, tells Republic after the Prime Minister meeting that the country will decide on who will lead the opposition in 2024. Yogi Adityanath is in crackdown mode now. Uttar Pradesh police crackdown on human trafficking racket by the Rohingyas. In Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, it is protest, huge protest against the Pakistan army in POK as they assert elections were rigged. It's official, Basavaraj Bommai will replace B.S. Yediyurappa as the Karnataka Chief Minister. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been a packed and punchy political Tuesday in Delhi, and one that will be remembered significantly in the road to 2024. Mamta Banerjee has had at least 7 meetings in a 72 hours, which is lined up. Today she has already had 4 big meetings, and really with the Trinamool Congress on the upswing electorally in Bengal, will she be able to lead the group that delivers the blow to the BJP? Is that even conceivable? Let's debate.
With Mamata Banerjee's touchdown in the national capital, the 2024 equations are clear. With all the top-line leaders of the opposition parties lining up to meet her, speculations are rife as to whether Didi will be the opposition's face in 2024.
After Mamta Banerjee met the Prime Minister today, we asked her 3 direct questions that she specifically gave answers to.
सभी विपक्षी दलों को एक साथ ला करके आप
after the session is over, let the COVID situation is over, because अभी COVID situation में
आप लीड करेंगी दीदी, आप लीड करेंगी सभी विपक्षी दलों को. You will be the face.
country will lead.
With a hefty political experience of 40 years behind her, watch what Mamta Banerjee said when we asked her about the opposition uniting for 2024.
We are the followers.
दीदी एक बात बताइए, पहले भी तो इस तरह की कोशिश हुई थी कि सभी विपक्षी दल एक साथ आएं, लेकिन बन नहीं पाई बात. सर्वमान्य नेता किसी को चुना नहीं जा सका. इस बार आपको उम्मीद है कि जब एकजुट आप होंगे तो इस तरह से सभी एक रास्ते पर चल पाएंगे?
हर आदमी को उम्मीद का साथ नहीं काम करना पड़ता है. अगर उम्मीद नहीं रहता है तो जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाता है.
Mamta Banerjee has a big meeting with Sonia Gandhi tomorrow. When Kamal Nath was asked about the parties coming together right before 2024, he said the agenda would be discussed between Mamta and Sonia. When we put the same question to Mamta Banerjee, she quipped on चाय पे चर्चा.
हमने कोई रणनीति की बात नहीं करी, कोई रणनीति की बात नहीं करी, वो हमारी नेता करेंगी.
समान विचार वाले, ये तो मेरा सदैव दृष्टिकोण रहा है. भारत के संवैधानिक प्रजातंत्र में निष्ठा रखते हैं, उनको नज़दीकी से एक साथ सहमति जरूर रहनी चाहिए. पर इस पे जो भी आगे बात बढ़ती है या जो भी कोई निर्णय होते हैं, मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी का सदस्य हूँ, वो श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी हमारी नेता है, कांग्रेस पार्टी की प्रेसिडेंट है, वही वो बातचीत करेंगी.
दीदी आप विपक्षी नेताओं से भी मुलाकात कर रही हैं लगातार, विपक्षी दलों के नेताओं से, क्या इसके पीछे की क्या रणनीति, क्या मतलब प्लानिंग है?
नहीं, देखिए बहुत सारे पार्टी है, जो पार्टी मेरे दोस्त भी है, पुराना दोस्त भी है. हम लोग पुराना दिन का बात, नया दिन का बात मिलजुल के ही करते हैं. कल मेरे को सोनिया जी का पास भी, सोनिया जी मेरे को चाय पे बुला, तो मैं कल चाय पे चर्चा करने के लिए जाएंगे.
From 1976, when she was the General Secretary of the Mahila Congress in West Bengal, to being established as the giant slayer with the 2021 Bengal victory against the BJP, to having all the big names of the opposition line up to meet her, there's no doubting that Mamata Banerjee may as well be the force to reckon with in 2024. But will she be the consensus candidate for the opposition? Will the Congress agree to play second fiddle? And are Mamata Banerjee's big meetings in Delhi to stitch an alliance or lead one herself? And is it eventually all leading to a Mamata versus Modi 2024 showdown? Let's debate.
I'm opening today with Om Prakash Mishra, Sudhinder Badoria of the Trinamool, and the BSP, Smita Prakash, editor of ANI, and Sambit Patra of the BJP. Professor Om Prakash Mishra, my only request to you at the start is if you can have briefer interventions, because, you know, the other side complains that your answers are so long that they don't get a chance to respond to you. And therefore, my first question to you is, Professor Mishra, this is 2021, 27th of July, 2021. The elections are 3 years away. You started campaigning. Can you tell us why? What is the hurry to start campaigning for 2024? Don't tell me, tell Sambit Patra.
Well,
Yeah.
election campaign, election, Trinamool Congress and the leading opposition parties of this country, they are not in perpetual election mode. That is reserved for BJP. So far as overall situation in the country is concerned, it is very much necessary, rather it is imperative that the opposition political parties, they must unite. And collectively we must strengthen our effort to give an effective alternative to the anti-people Modi government at the center. And toward this end, it is but natural that Trinamool Congress as a political party and Mamta Banerjee as a national leader of the party, who has been 7 times Lok Sabha member, who has served the Union Council of Ministers under 3 different prime ministers, and one who is actually the 3rd time chief minister of the third biggest state of the country. So therefore, these efforts are complementary, these efforts are contributory to the overall narrative that the opposition might like to work upon in the course of the months and the years ahead.
You're looking very defensive. Anything holding you back? You've been told to be cautious. I mean, when your body language today is very you're being very careful. Maybe you don't want to. You're not a usual. Maybe you don't want to upset Kejriwal, who she's meeting tomorrow. You don't want to upset Sonia Gandhi, who she's meeting tomorrow. Maybe you don't. You know what I mean, Sambit. You know, are you seeing that, Smita? It's like, you know, it's like you want to say something, but you're not being able to say it. I think I know what you want to say. You want to say that it should be Mamta Banerjee who should have a shot at being the face to take on Modi. Say it. Right, Smita? I mean, why do politicians do this? Why do they not say what is on their mind? That is on your mind. I can't imagine, Smita, he should say it.
Ours is not a presidential.
Come on, you know, politics is not about charity. You're not here to make Arvind Kejriwal Prime Minister. Yes, Smita, this is so amusing.
Yeah, you know, this is the culture of Indian politics. If you notice, right from Morarji Desai's time, then VP Singh, I'm not the candidate, but everybody knows who the candidate is, right? I mean, Mamta Banerjee, rightfully pointed out, has not come to Delhi to make Mr. Kejriwal the Prime Minister. But she has to do it gently, because remember, she comes with this reputation, and most women politicians have this reputation that somebody, you know, she's mercurial, temperamental. It was said about Jayalalitha, it was, other than Sonia Gandhi, it's been said about every woman politician that she's, she breathes fire and, you know, these kind of things. Just because as soon as you show an aggression as a woman politician, you're called that. So now you're seeing a different Mamta, because, you know, she's won her election. So she brings with her to Delhi a kind of an energy for the opposition that has not been seen for a long time. You mentioned Kejriwal. Yes, he did win, but he was, you know, after that one one attempt where he tried to fight Modi. After that, it's never been there. So here is Mamta, who you said Dragon Slayer. I would say more like David and Goliath kind of a thing. You know, that she was a local, but she took on the might of the BJP machinery and she defeated them. So here she is in Delhi, and Prashant Kishore, of course, charting out the entire map for her as to where she is to go, whom she has to meet. But it is quite clear that she has said 2019 candidate is going to be her. And fair enough, you know, the main opposition party, the Congress, where are they? Where is Sonia? Where is Rahul Gandhi? Since 2019, they don't have a functioning president, and he doesn't even want to take over as the parliamentary party leader. So, you know, 2019 she tried it, Mamta tried it, but that combusted because it was a non-Congress thing. So here now she's trying to show that, you know, Congress can be part of it, and Congress has probably learnt its lesson, which is why you just played the bite of Anand Sharma and Kamal Nath. These are leaders whom Mamta has worked with. So they have obviously gone there with an okay from Sonia Gandhi that, you know, she can be probably the leader. Both sides having learnt their lesson of that 2019 fiasco and thinking of 2024 ahead. And I don't think, thinking of UP elections, I don't think they are going to fight as a united opposition in Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, so now Sambit Patra is also unnaturally quiet tonight, and I completely understand the predicament, because after all, when someone invests in somebody with so much faith for such a long period of time, with such love and affection, and continues to invest and continues to invest and continues to invest, like he continues to invest in the Vadra Gandhi family, he continues to invest in Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Vadra and Robert Vadra, and he's convinced that they are going to sweep 2024 because it's their investment on the other side. And out springs Mamta. Now realize, Sambit, you're in trouble. You know you're in trouble because of the speed at which this alliance is being stitched. She's meeting Sharad Pawar, she's meeting Kejriwal, she's meeting Sonia.
Arnav,
she's got the top leadership of the Congress party eating out of her hands now. I can't hear you at all, Sambit. The audio's got a problem, I think. She has got...
No, Arnav,
can you hear me?
Is there a problem with my audio? Are you getting me now?
She's got the entire Congress leadership
I can hear you.
eating out of her hands tonight. She's also not an impractical person. And she can give you big trouble, you know that. She's not also somebody who's emerged yesterday. You can't call her a dynast. She's been an MP since the 70s.
Good.
Right? No, since 1983 or 84, I think, when she defeated Somnath Chatterjee. So she's been around a long time.
See,
right? And she just delivered a pretty nasty uppercut to you in Bengal.
Remember, Mr. Goswami, before 2019.
Just look at you. You don't... No. Your entire game plan has gone for a toss, Sambit.
Okay, Arnav. Have a good day then. If it's gone for a toss, you all enjoy, so no problem with us at all. Can I speak, Mr. Goswami?
Yeah,
Thank you.
Please do.
Arnav, as far as this whole design is concerned, what's new about it, Mr. Goswami? What's new about it? Remember 2018? Karnataka. We are having a new CM in Karnataka today. Remember, the same place from where we have we have the new CM.
Yeah.
We had the conglomeration of all these leaders. Smita comes from that state. Remember, the conglomeration, the great confluence of Mamata Banerjee, Mayawati, of Sonia Gandhi, everyone embracing the other. 20 leaders standing in a row. That picture had gone viral, you know. Everyone was shouting at us, what will happen to BJP now? Look, the mighty, the tall, the greatest, they've all come together to, in fact, to do away with Modi. What happened? What became of it? And remember how this Chandrababu Naidu and Mr. Arvind Kejriwal used to meet every second day? As if a Putin and Trump meeting was going on. Every day, Chandrababu Naidu will come to the capital of India, Delhi, with a big bouquet, with a bouquet of flowers, and then he will visit
but you can't ignore Mamta, you know that. You can't ignore her. You can't ignore her.
We are not ignoring Mamta.
You can't ignore her.
Just a second.
She's just won 213 seats by an average margin of 31,760 votes, which is double that of the BJP average in Bengal.
So what,
Now,
Mr.
come on, you put your entire national leadership against her in Bengal.
I invite
no, I'm
Mamta
telling you,
to be the PM candidate, please.
There. Counter, he says.
We invite Mamata Banerjee.
He says to you, take the bait.
Candidate for 2024.
Rohan Somen Mitra is also the debate. Mr. Bhadoria is. Mr. Bhadoria, he is giving an invitation.
We invite.
What do you mean with that invitation?
We invite
You're treating Mamata. You're saying
to be the PM candidate for 2024. And my simple and humble submission over here is first win the battle with.
Is that an official statement from an official BJP spokesperson, sir?
Kejriwal, the battle.
No, 1 second. Is that statement an official statement from an official BJP spokesperson? Are you speaking in your individual capacity?
Yes, of course, it's an official statement. No, it's an official statement. We would welcome if Mamata Banerjee is chosen as the chosen one amongst the opposition coalition. Who prevents them? Who prevents them? Mayawati can second the whole proposition, and we can have Rahul Gandhi. Well, I don't believe Mamata Banerjee would want a Rahul
Mr.
Gandhi
Bhadoria
to second her name, because whosoever has this is
interesting.
Rahul Gandhi, including Mayawati ji and including
this is interesting.
Yadav,
1 second.
They've all gone down
breaking news.
So
breaking news, Mr. Bhadoria.
I would request Bhadoria
Mr. Bhadoria,
you invite
breaking
Mayawati
news.
to propose the name of
breaking news on my debate. The BJP says we welcome if the opposition makes Mamata Banerjee the prime ministerial candidate for 2024. They're daring you. Do it, Mr. Bhadoria, do it. The BJP is actually daring you. Make the choice. Accept it.
We are not going to
Live on the show, I'm telling you today, it will be the biggest story, 924. Accept it.
Well, Arnab Goswami, we are not going to be dictated or directed by the BJP or by anybody else. And we understand politics as much as they do or anybody else does. But I must say that we have 3 years to go now. It is 2022 UP elections, then 23, and then comes 24. So therefore, at this moment, while at this moment we welcome Mamata Banerjee's victory, we welcome her as the Chief Minister of Bengal, we welcome her as a leader also, but then we have a long way. We have to go a long way to go. We have many challenges before us. We have the COVID-19, the third phase.
There you are.
While they welcome, but there is a but.
We have the
While they welcome, but still there is a BUT.
Laughing within seconds.
So therefore, let us cross the bridge when the time comes. And I'm quite sure the people of India, they are mature, they have risen all times.
The time has not come.
Each occasion they have taken the right kind of decisions, and I'm quite sure when the 20...
It's interesting.
People of India...
No, it's interesting what's happening on the show tonight.
But it is too early to...
No, you seem to have all the time. No, 1 second, Professor Mishra, what's going on? What's going on here? What's going on here? No, what's going on here? 1 minute, Sunil Alagh, what's going on here? Sunil Alagh, Rohan Somen Mitra, what's going on here? The BJP has just officially challenged the Trinamool Congress to declare Mamata Banerjee as the prime ministerial candidate for 2024. If she's so interested, Rohan Somen Mitra feels it's too early. Rohan, come on. Accept the bait.
Good evening. Arnab, we started this debate. You've answered all the... Sorry, the question was to me, Rohan. I'm sorry. I was just saying, Arnab, you started this debate.
Yeah, go on, Rohan. Rohan, you speak and then Sunil will come in after that.
July 20... Yeah. So it's 27th of July 2021. We are 3 years away. No one's a Nostradamus out here. You've heard, you played the beat of the CM of Bengal. She herself said, she's here in Delhi after 2 years. She's here to meet the opposition leaders. Let's put it out there. The Congress, the TMC, we are fighting the BJP. There is no hiding from that. So we are all together in this fight. The Bengal elections are done and dusted. She's meeting Sonia Gandhi tomorrow. Let the leaders speak. Why are we second guessing on that?
Rohan,
and why should we take the beat of Mr. BJP or the BJP spokesperson?
No, Rohan, you're you're not together in this. 1 minute. Just a minute, Rohan. I want to counter you.
Narendra Modi was declared.
No, I want to counter you, Rohan.
So why are we going on this beforehand?
Yeah, because Narendra Modi was declared prime ministerial candidate by one political party. One political party. You can't, the opposition cannot, they will have to take a decision. You seem in no hurry. I think Mamata Banerjee is in a hurry. She has, you know how many meetings she has in 72 hours?
We will make that decision.
You're saying the time is not right. I'm getting confused. You're saying the time is not right. Professor Mishra says the time is right. What's going on here?
You just said that she... No, 1 second.
Professor Mishra says the time is right.
She's got 40 years of experience. She wants to meet the leaders. Kamal Nath and Mr. Anand Sharma were her Youth Congress presidents at different points of time. So for them to meet her and to greet her and congratulate her, that's perfectly normal.
Where has the PM candidate?
No,
That's
why
what we are saying.
I don't think this is a natural meet and greet. So no. You know. I protest so strongly to this attempt tonight by all of you to deny the undeniable, challenge the unchallengeable facts that I present before you, to defend the indefensible. You know, Rohan, that what I'm saying is true, and you're pretending with me on a live television program that they're doing a meet and greet. Kaise ho, chai peete hai kind of situation. It's not that.
Why not? Why not? Is that Mamata Banerjee has met the Prime Minister as well today.
Come on, you all know what's going on. My viewers know what's going on. I mean, Sunil Alagh, we know what's going on. There's a preparation for 2024, for Christ's sake.
Why does the opposition need
This is a preparation for 2024.
No, it may be a
because Sambit is daring you to.
Preparation for 2024.
Sambit is daring you to.
Fight the BJP. But Sambit is not the one to decide.
Who's going to lead you?
Why is Sambit Patra the one to decide for us?
Sambit threw you a challenge.
So that will be
Sambit threw you a challenge, and I asked him, are you throwing the challenge as an official BJP spokesperson? He said yes.
There's no one to give us a challenge. Sambit Patra is nobody to give us a challenge right now.
Great suggestion as well. No, Rohan ji, let me not decide.
1 second, in 2004,
please, Rohan, I'm
Mr.
just taking
Patra,
5
in
seconds out of you.
Also,
Only 5 seconds.
You thought that Mrs.
Only
Sonia
5
Gandhi...
seconds. Can I just take 5 seconds?
You can take that. Just let me say a point.
Please steal
Even
your
Sonia
5
Gandhi
seconds
was
by your
supposed to be the
permission.
Prime Minister candidate in 2004. She was not the 2004 Prime Minister.
No, my suggestion is, if you don't want Mamata Banerjee to be the PM candidate, why don't you take up Rahul Gandhi as your PM candidate? We are not preventing anyone's name. You can even pick up Arvind Kejriwal's name as a PM candidate, but you have to pick up someone. If you really want that you should be united and you want to contest Modi, someone has to be your leader. It cannot be air and ether as your leader. Someone has to be a leader. Who is your leader? If not Mamata, then pick up Mayawati. If not Mayawati, for God's sake, pick up Rahul Gandhi.
Let me answer. When did you pick up Prime Ministerial candidate in 2013?
Sunil Alagh.
Let me answer this question.
1 minute.
2013, August, you all picked Narendra Modi as your Prime Minister. Why do you want them to come to us now? What is this?
Sunil Alagh, do you notice one thing? Sunil Alagh, do you notice one thing? Sunil, this is incredible. Here is Mamata Banerjee. Every Congress leader is calling her. Can I meet you, ma'am? She is choosing. They are going to meet her. She is not going to meet them. The imagery is very clear. But the fascinating thing is, Sambit is emotionally attached to his political investment in Rahul Gandhi. Every 5 minutes on the program, he keeps saying, he says, please, if not Mamata, you go back to Rahul. Did you notice that? He wants Rahul Gandhi to come back, and that is the story. If Mamata Banerjee comes seriously into the game, the BJP knows it's going to have a tougher time. Sunil Alagh is on the debate right now, and I'd like to see how the Akali Dal also views this. Bashinder Singh Grewal of the Akali Dal has been quiet. What's going on here? Are you also meeting Mamata Banerjee, Mr. Grewal?
Look.
Are you also meeting her? All opposition leaders are meeting her.
One thing is very clear, this country and nation wants a strong opposition, which today we are lacking. So there's nothing wrong in a democracy if the political parties with like-mindedness meet and decide their strategy. See, it's not deciding at this stage about the Prime Minister, who is the Prime Minister or not. Mr. Sampath Patra was saying
deciding about the
that
strategy
Rahul
since
should be-
1857.
We never advised them who should be the Chief Minister of Karnataka. So if need be, we will take his advice. He's a very seasoned and good gentleman. But I tell you, to save the country from a autocratic rule, democracy needs to be restored, and democracy can only be restored if there is a real federal structure with a strong center and the states have their own rights to run the state government.
I am astonished at the confusion. Look at Akali Dal. Akali Dal saying that they will take advice of the Congress party. Just imagine. Only a couple of weeks ago, they were firing at each other in Punjab. You know, Akali Dal and Punjab, Akali Dal and Congress are firing at each other's vehicle in Punjab. And now they are saying Rahul is a fine gentleman and we will go and take the advice of Rahul Gandhi. Wow.
No.
My.
Who's Rahul
These
Gandhi?
people and their confusion.
We are talking about Mamta ji, which has shown you the way in
So how
Bengal.
can Mamta Banerjee be a
Your
gentleman?
entire
You are
government-
calling someone a
your
fine
entire
gentleman whom
government
you
was
want to
on
advise
run.
you.
So you are claiming
Mamta Banerjee
200
cannot be
seats
a
in Bengal
gentleman.
and
She
what
can be
you
a
got
lady.
to know
She
the
cannot be a
fate.
gentleman.
Please be
You are
prepared
talking
for
about a fine
224
gentleman
also.
whose
the way
advice
you
you
are
would
running
seek.
the country, the farmers' agitation, the corona, the unemployment, you know you are going to face the music. You have made many high
They all
commitments.
have their own
And where
essays, you
stand
know.
now?
Whatever
Where
the
you are
topic, they will bring out their own
What you are doing
essays.
with the farmers?
And the essay of
What
the
you are doing with the farmers?
Akali Dal is a
What
farmer
you have done
agitation.
to
So
the-
you talk about anything, they will talk about their own issues.
No, why you talk about your
You
issue?
don't want your
Then
own PM candidate?
Mandar issue was not
No,
solved.
you
are
don't
talking
want
on
Badal ji
issue.
as your PM candidate. Why do you want Mamta Banerjee?
What
No,
special
sir.
you have done
Don't
for the
you? No,
nation?
don't
Economy is
you
ruined.
want your PM
Economy is
candidate from
ruined.
Akali Dal? Shiv Sena is
No,
already demanding Uddhav ji.
Don't worry.
Okay, today Shiv
We are
Sena
not
is
bothered
demanding
who had-
Uddhav ji as the PM. Why don't you also demand pitch in for Badal ji?
We don't.
You
we
also
don't
want your
advice.
PM. You all should have your
we
separate
don't want
PMs. No, I am suggesting
tell you,
humble, unsolicited advice. Why don't you all have your individual PMs?
Your suggestion.
Let
We will seek
TMC
your
have
suggestion
Mamta
when
as the
it's
PM.
required.
You have
We
Badal ji
don't
as the
want
PM.
unwanted advice.
Shiv Sena has Uddhav as the
Please,
PM.
don't give unwanted
So
advice.
that way,
We will decide
every day in a
ourselves.
week can have a PM.
Akali
Monday ka
Dal is
PM,
strong
CM.
enough to stand on
Monday
its
ka
own
PM,
land.
Tuesday ka PM,
Please,
Wednesday ka PM.
Don't worry,
Everyone can be a PM.
don't worry.
Huh.
You couldn't
All of them
you
want to be
couldn't
PM.
even dislodge Mamta with your all might. See, you won all the 7 seats in Delhi Parliament.
You
and
know,
lost
Mamata
all the
Banerjee
seats in,
dislodged the Congress
Assembly.
party and the Communist party. Mamata Banerjee did not dislodge BJP. BJP was in 3 seats, from 3 traveled to 74. So Mamata Banerjee dislodged the Congress party. Say, dislodged the left party. No, you don't talk about consolation.
From Chennai, I am joined tonight by the spokesperson of the BCK, Vikraman. Mr. Vikraman is spokesperson.
And what rate you have met?
Mr. Vikraman is spokesperson of the VCK.
From your party.
It's an ally of the DMK, just to get another voice in the debate to see how various anti-BJP political parties are looking at it. Mr. Vikraman, how do you look at it? The positioning is already beginning. And there is a very strong rumor that Mr. Stalin may also be coming to Delhi in the next 2 or 3 days. And there's going to be a huge meeting of all anti-BJP political parties. My question to you is the same. Won't you have to pitch your face? Will you accept the overall leadership of Mamta Banerjee? Or is Mr. Stalin also a contender?
There is no question of who is going to contend as a leader of the opposition. So see, the thing is like the BJP is so scared of even this small development. Ms. Mamta Banerjee is meeting all the big leaders. I mean, 4 big meetings have happened and BJP is so scared of it. That is what we want. And the country is seeing it right now, the BJP, how scared it is. If the opposition is united, BJP is nowhere it's going to be. It's going to face the fate of the Hitler. So we are going to save the democracy from the autocratic government, the fascist government.
Fate of Hitler, I'll have to get Sambit to respond.
Yes.
You know, as far
Mr.
as...
Modi
No, can you elaborate on that? You said...
May I just...
Fate of Hitler. Just
No, one
imagine.
minute.
After all the post-poll violence in Bengal, these people have the audacity of talking about Hitler. After all the post-poll violence, when we have about 40 Karyakartas of Bharatiya Janata Party butchered on the streets, women molested and raped, Supreme Court taken cognizance of all this,
Mr. Samit
National
Patra,
Human Rights Commission even not being spared. You still have the audacity of talking about Hitler, Gujarat riots.
No,
Here,
Yeah,
Mr.
can we
Goswami,
talk
the
about
problem
it?
is Mamata Banerjee wants to do Chai Pe
No,
Charcha in
you are scared
2020.
of talking
Just
about
a second.
Gujarat riots now.
Mamata
If you-
Banerjee
if you
ironically
pull
wants to do a
West
Chai Pe
Bengal riots,
Charcha
I
with
will
Sonia
bring
Gandhi in
Gujarat riots here.
2021, which BJP finished in 2013. And here is the DMK spokesperson who wants to discuss about Gujarat riots now. I mean, just imagine these people are stuck in time. These people are stuck in time.
Can you wash off your hands?
No, did you hear
Can
what
you wash
Mamata
off your
Banerjee
hands?
said today?
And you were
Mamata- just a
criticizing
second,
and
just
you
a
were,
second.
you were making fun
Just a
of
second, sir.
having prime ministers
First
every
take a
single
bath.
day.
We will wash our hands later. You need a complete bath, sir.
Are you having,
You need a
no,
complete
Are you
bath.
having the
A complete
guts?
bath.
If you say
Don't
that
talk about washing
every
hands.
state will have a prime minister of its own,
No,
are
we
you having the
don't need
guts to
such big
separate the
debates,
states as they
sir.
wanted?
Do you accept Mamata Banerjee as the PM candidate? So welcome. You welcome Mamata Banerjee as the PM candidate. Why are you
See,
shouting at me?
Don't jump.
Go and contest under
No,
Mamata
no.
Banerjee. Who is stopping you?
No, but he
Who is
says that
stopping
is
you?
not even an issue.
Nobody is saying she's the
just
PM
tell me.
candidate.
Supposedly
No, it is
BJP.
not
No,
the
but
point of
Samit.
Who is the
discussion here.
PM candidate
So
from the
who-
BJP?
So
Is there
there's
such
no
a post
problem.
like
No
the
one is a PM
Prime Minister
candidate. So what are we
post?
debating?
What is the
Professor
type of
Mishra is
debate?
back.
Why are we
So what
discussing
is what are we
PM
debating
now?
then?
The election is
Whether
not-
it
So
is
how many
Amit
seats
Shah,
will DMK
whether
give
it
to
is
3MC
Rajnath
in
Singh,
Tamil
who is
Nadu?
the Prime Minister candidate? Is there a post? Is there a constituency? What
No,
type
no,
of
Can't
hear.
debate
Professor
is
Mishra is
this?
back. Professor Mishra, Sunil Alak, yes.
Parliamentary system of government. There is no post of the Prime
We will
Minister.
have a VP Singh kind of a prime minister.
Whether Mr.
2024,
Modi,
yes.
Modi
You
might
don't
be
want
judged
to
with the
fight
liability.
There's no post of prime
Modi
minister.
might be judged
If
with the
you don't need
liability
anything,
by the
If
BJP.
you are not going to declare any candidate,
It might
if
be
nothing
Mr.
is going to
Yedurappa
happen,
as the
why are
Prime
you
Minister.
fighting? अरे आराम से पिज्जा खाओ
So
सोचो।
therefore, all this
now.
discussion that you are
Professor
trying
साहब
to do,
इतना गुस्सा मत
it
खाओ,
is
शांति,
a
शांति
ploy.
से बैठो।
It is a plot.
The election
He
is
is not going to
2014.
give in.
अरे,
So just a year before,
don't be so
opposition
argumentative.
has
and why you
has
want
got
us
to
to
First
declare
select
so
a PM
soon?
candidate
and
then
we are
come,
contributing
then
to
come and
that.
fight with us.
Entire country is united. And so therefore, Mr. Modi might be considered to be a liability.
country is
Not
united.
an asset by the BJP itself. So therefore, to say who is
entire
going to
country
be
is united.
what? How
So
can
the
you
Sonia
say
Gandhi,
that?
Mamata Banerjee's
Mamata
entire
Banerjee
country
has already said.
No, Sonia Gandhi and Mamata Banerjee coming together is
that she
entire
is a
country.
worker and she is going to side
That's
with
it.
all the opposition. We are trying to build up a narrative against the BJP, against
No,
the
what do you-
RSS,
Professor
against
Saab,
the imposition
Professor Saab,
of the
don't you know
Hindutva.
Sonia Gandhi?
So as to,
Don't you
so
know
as
Sonia
to
Gandhi
destroy
चाय पे
the
क्यों
secular
बुलाया
fabric
है?
of the country.
No, I will tell you,
So
चाय,
therefore-
Arnav, I want to tell
therefore,
Professor
don't try
Saab,
to
I
tempt
want to
us
really
by
awaken the
saying that who
Professor
is going
Saab.
to be the Prime
The
Minister.
nefarious
I am going
conspiracies
to
of the
tell you who
Congress
is going
party.
to be the Prime
Let me
Minister
make him
from the
aware as to why
BJP.
Sonia ji
Mr.
ने
Rajnath Singh
क्यों
is going
सोनिया
to
जी ने
become the
क्यों
Prime
ममता
Minister
जी को
जल्द
चाय
से।
पे बुलाया
It
है?
will not be
No, no,
Mr.
do you-
Modi.
अरे,
Modi
just a
is
second,
going
just
to
a
be a
second, just a
disgrace.
second.
Modi is going
Just
to be a
hear me
liability.
out.
Modi is not going to be
Okay,
acceptable
okay,
to the
ठीक है।
BJP. I am
Oh,
saying
ठीक है,
this.
ठीक
Can
है.
you
Don't worry,
counter this?
don't,
Whether
sir, your
Mr.
blood
Shah is
pressure
not
will
going to
increase. Be
upstage
cool.
him.
You are no Brahma.
So
you are no
should not
Brahma
worry
Bhagwan.
about
If
the
you say
opposition.
something, it will happen.
You
So
don't
please wait
worry
for a
about the
while.
opposition.
Wait for a
You are
while.
trying
Don't
to
worry.
mislead-
Your blood pressure will
mislead
shoot
the
up. Now
debate.
listen to me.
You are trying to mislead
Mr.
the
Arnav,
debate.
if only the
Ours
professor
is
can
not
be quiet
par-
for a while, I
ours
want
is
to
not a
enlighten the nation
American-style
of what is going to
presidential
happen
system of
tomorrow.
governance.
1 minute.
When Sonia Gandhi and
a
Mamata
question.
Banerjee meet for Chai Pe Charcha.
Okay, let's divorce that part out. No, I have couple of points to ask. No, there are 3 or 4 situations we are looking at. I need to come in for a minute. Can I just play out some graphics before I come to Sunil Alak? There are 3 or 4 situations that we are looking at. Situation number 1 on the screen, please. Situation number 1 on the screen, please.
Going to help everybody.
Situation number 1 is,
All the opposition going to be
if I may please play out the graphics. Just 1 minute. There are multiple situations. Situation number 1 is on your screen. Situation number 1 is where everybody fights as separate parties and then they have a post-poll alliance. I think this is a very likely unlikely situation. Situation number 2 on your screen now, which is possible but you can't be completely sure about it, where there's a complete pre-poll understanding. Sunil Alagh is a as a political analyst, this I think is a possible scenario. It can make things very difficult for the BJP if there's a complete pre-poll understanding. Now, situation number 3, Sunil, is very unlikely, very difficult to do, but you can't completely rule it out, is where all political parties merge at a national level into one political formation, which means there is a new political party which is formed, and under the umbrella of a common symbol, all parties, whether NCP, Trinamool, Congress, everyone fights under that united symbol at a national level and keeps their regional symbols, keeps their political party symbols for state party elections. This will make it extremely difficult for the BJP. Is this possible? Is this level of understanding possible? And I think my bigger question to you is, Sunil Alagh, I know you support the BJP, but please, for God's sake, is Sambit Patra fooling himself into believing that these political parties can never work together?
No, I think the possibility of your 1 and 2 is very likely, but the question remains when Jayalalitha was there and when Mayawati was there in UP. I mean, everybody in UP will, Mr. Bhadoria will agree that if UP, in case they defeat BJP, then Akhilesh Yadav will want to be Prime Minister. There'll be a whole lot of confusion which will take place in the next 2.5 years. As it is, you can find, I think Mamta is very clever. She has come to Delhi only to decide what to do in Parliament. What to do in Parliament today. 1 second. I'm just finishing. And now that you've given me the opportunity, I'm just saying she has come not to discuss whether she will be the leader or not, but she's saying, what are we going to do in Parliament? Because they are stopping the Parliament, and that is ridiculous because the people like...
No, I don't think so. I think you're wrong.
You may not.
I think you're wrong. Smita, I think he's wrong.
No, I may be wrong.
I think he's wrong. I think you can correct him. Mamta has not come to discuss Parliament strategy. Mamta has come to discuss 2024.
No, but
I have no doubt about it.
Look at Kejriwal when he had 76.
This Parliament session is as good as fried.
Prime Minister. I think Mamta is clever and saying that, look, at this point of time, there's no point. There's going to be there's not going to be a face in front of Modi.
No.
There's no question at this stage of the game. Each party will fight, and the South.
No, she's already starting.
She's
already starting. I beg to differ.
1 second. Are you saying Kerala will agree? Are you saying Telangana will agree?
Yes.
Are you saying Tamil Nadu will agree?
No
way. Not today. Not today. They might decide in 2023, but not today. Out of the question.
Please understand.
No. That's where I think you're wrong, Sunil. Please hear Smita.
Okay.
So, Arnab, if I may come in. May I come in? Look, Arnab, you presented 3 scenarios, and the fact is that all of those or one of those can come into place. But the point is that coming together is the easy part. But staying together and convincing the electorate that you are there for more than personal benefit is the difficult part. Just remember, they need to have an agenda which is more than Modi hatao. You just heard the DMK guy, ki Modi ko nikalo, fascist hai, Hitler hai. You can say all these things. But do you remember Indira Gandhi's famous line?
No, that was Rohin Somen Mitra of the Congress. Rohin on the right.
This is the kind of thing, and it didn't work for the opposition. So, you see the opposition, they have moved from one topic to the other in just 1.5 months. From COVID mismanagement to vaccine shortage to fuel price to farmer laws to snooping. And now it is fascist, Modi, Hitler. They are going from one topic to the other. Somebody has to be
Rohan
there
said
to
that.
bring about a unity. And Mamta is making that pitch right now.
What did I say? No, I said the 3 scenarios you spoke about are perfectly possible in our democracy. Our constitution allows that. Yeah. What did I say? I think that all the
I'm not saying it doesn't allow that. I'm not saying it doesn't allow that. I'm saying that you've got a BJP on the other side. Let's get Sambit back.
I'm not saying Mr. Patra a good night's sleep.
Get Mr. Patra back. Rohin loves debating with Mr. Patra. Yes?
No, Mr.
What are you saying to Mr. Patra?
I just said I didn't want to give him a good night's sleep. I don't want to answer.
Like,
he can wait for 2 more years to find out who our Prime Minister candidate is.
Yeah.
Please, Mr. Patra, we are no Nostradamus sitting out here. You had predicted that in Bengal you would win 200 seats. You saw what happened. So no, I'm not worrying about any of it.
Worry,
I'm just
sir.
giving
You
you an
all
answer
predicted that
to
in
what you said.
2014 and 2019,
let this time,
you are
let
going
this
to have
play
your
out.
own prime
You are
ministers
just a
anyway.
spokesperson.
I am
Even
going
your
to divert
party,
something which
you all
none
did
of
not
you are
repeat
aware
your
of.
CM
Give
in
me a few
Assam.
seconds.
You all did not repeat your
Rohan,
CM in
you
Assam.
had your say.
In
Do you
2024,
allow
you
others
don't know
to
what's
speak
going to
or
happen.
not?
We've had a corona pandemic.
Okay.
So let's talk
Okay.
about who's going to be
Okay.
alive. I perfectly wait
Okay.
for you to... Okay,
Thank
go
you.
on. I'll listen to you and then I'll
I have
answer.
heard you now. Please hear me out. Arnab, just imagine tomorrow when Mamata Banerjee and Sonia Gandhi sit down together for tea. Is Sonia Gandhi going to call on Mamata Banerjee and say, Mamata ji, please, aap PM ban jaiye, hum log aapko support karenge? Of course not. She is going to come out right.
But is that an issue?
Mamata ji,
No, 1 second. You're stuck on the PM issue.
No,
Vikraman,
this is an issue.
Vikraman wants to come in. No, is that the issue?
So what is...
Is that the issue? Vikraman, is that the only issue?
This is the issue. What do you think? They want development in the country. It is all about...
that may not be the
It is
issue.
all about the ambition of the opposition.
Continue our debate.
No, it's not about only the ambition of the opposition. Sampit, I'll get Vikraman back. It can also equally be, can the opposition come together against you?
Who leads them?
No, Vikraman is on. The question can they come together against you?
Yes, we are.
You're Vikraman.
Against us.
He says leadership is not the issue. The issue is can we come together against you?
We will have a test.
Yes, we are coming together.
Yeah,
have you not seen 1991 where
Uttar
Mr.
Pradesh
VP Singh was the Prime Minister? It was a
Uttar
coalition like
Pradesh
that.
election is only
BJP
6
is
months
going
from today.
As I already stated
I challenge,
earlier,
let the
it's going to
DMK,
face the fate of
AIADMK,
Hitler.
Samajwadi Party,
That
all of them
rule
come
must
together in Uttar
end.
Pradesh.
So all the
of you come
differences
together.
will
What
die down
Hitler?
and the
What is
opposition
this
will come together.
No, I challenge you, go and contest the Uttar
Yes.
Pradesh election along with Rahul Gandhi. Go and contest. Go and contest the Uttar Pradesh election along with Rahul Gandhi. Go. You take.
Why should he? He's a party in Tamil Nadu.
You take all other political parties
I'm
also
a
along with
party
you.
in Tamil Nadu.
Take Akali Dal also along with you. Take everyone.
Can you
go and
win a
contest.
single seat in Tamil Nadu without the alliance
So
of a Dravidian party, Mr. Sambit Patra?
So exactly, you
Can
are
you
a
win a
party.
single
Counter
seat?
challenge.
And
Mamata Banerjee is a
have been
party in
siphoned
Bengal.
off.
And then you want to discuss Uttar Pradesh. You want to discuss Uttar
parliamentary
Pradesh.
elections.
How
Do you know
is it
that?
possible? How is it possible? You want to discuss
Tamil Nadu
Uttar
has
Pradesh.
rejected you.
You want to dislodge
Tamil Nadu has
Modi in
rejected
Uttar
you. I'm
Pradesh as
talking
well.
from the soil
So
of Tamil Nadu.
Who contests in Uttar Pradesh 6 months from today? Are you all coming together to contest in Uttar Pradesh together? Is the Samajwadi Party, BSP, Congress coming together to contest the
Closing
Uttar
that
Pradesh?
debate tonight,
case of
viewers.
the state.
We have
A
Mr. Gadwal over here. Ask
factoid.
Mr.
A factoid. Can I share a factoid as I end the debate? It's been such a wonderful debate. I love political debates like this. Can I share a factoid at the end? Will you hear me since you didn't let me speak throughout the entire show? I just want to tell you, remember, and never forget Sambit Patra, that Atal Bihari Vajpayee led a 20-party coalition of the NDA to victory in the 1999 general elections.
Thank you, Arnab. Thank you.
Remember always Sambit Patra, 1977. Morarji Desai was not the most charismatic, but he was the single face who emerged. So,
But that was Morarji.
I just gave you 2 examples from history, 22 years apart, viewers. What do you think about that? It's a... I'm not comparing anyone to Rahul Gandhi, and can you stop obsessing about Rahul Gandhi, for God's sake? Ladies and gentlemen,
we also had
you're obsessed about Rahul Gandhi. Okay, viewers, on the other side tonight,